Good morning students, welcome back to Max class. Take your Max note. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Exercise 14.3, second Roman letter. Find the product of the following algebraic expressions. Have you all got the correct answers? Yes. In the previous class, we have learnt about multiplying a monomial by a monomial and multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. And based on that, we have done problems. In today's class, we are going to learn about multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Now, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Each term of one polynomial is multiplied by each term of the other polynomial. Then the like terms are combined and added or subtracted to get simplified answer. So first step, you have to multiply each term of one polynomial by each term of the next one. Then you have to add the like terms, group the like terms, and then you can simplify. Let us solve the example. M square minus mn plus 1 into m plus 6. M square minus mn plus 1 into m plus 6. First multiply this m square with the terms inside the second expression. Then minus mn with the terms inside the second expression. Then this plus 1 with the terms inside the second expression. So multiply this m square with this second expression, which is equal to m square into m plus 6. Multiply this minus mn with the second expression, minus mn into m plus 6. Multiply this 1 with the second expression, plus 1 into m plus 6. Now multiply this m square with the terms inside the bracket, m square with m, then m square with this 6. So when it is in multiplication, you can add the powers. So m square into m is m power 2 plus 1 plus m square into 6 is 6m square. Now minus into plus is minus, mn into m is m power 1 plus 1 into n. Minus into plus is minus, mn into 6 is 6mn. Multiply this 1 with the terms inside the bracket. 1 into m is m plus 1 into 6 is 6, which is equal to m cube plus 6m square minus m square n minus 6mn plus m plus 6. These are all different terms. We cannot simplify this one further. So your answer is m square minus mn plus 1 into m plus 6 is equal to m cube plus 6m square minus m square n minus 6mn plus m plus 6. Now exercise 14.3 in your book page number 144, fourth one, find the product of the following polynomials. The first question, a plus b plus c into b plus 2. A plus b plus c into b plus 2, which is equal to, multiply this a with the second expression, then with the b the second expression, then with this c the second expression. A into b plus 2 plus b into b plus 2 plus c into b plus 2. Now multiply this a with the terms inside the bracket. A into b is ab plus a into 2 is 2a. Now multiply this b with the terms inside the bracket, plus b into b is b square plus b into 2 is 2b. Now multiply this c with the terms inside the bracket. C into b is cb, or you can write it as bc. C into 2 is 2c. These are all different terms. We cannot simplify this one. So you can write the answer as a plus b plus c into b plus 2 is equal to ab plus 2a plus b square plus 2b plus bc plus 2c. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now second question, x square minus xy into x plus 5. X square minus xy into x plus 5. Multiply this x square with the second expression and multiply this minus xy with the second expression. X square into the second expression is x plus 5 minus xy into x plus 5. Now multiply this x square with the terms inside the bracket, x square into x and then x square into 5x. X square into x is x power. When it is in multiplication, you can add the powers. 2, here the power is 1. 2 plus 1 plus x square into 5 is 5x square. Now minus x y into x is x power 1. Here also the power is 1 into y. Now minus into plus is minus. Xy into 5 is 5xy. X power 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5x square minus x square y minus 5xy. These are all different terms. So answer is x square minus xy into x plus 5 is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus x square y minus 5xy. Third question, m square minus 3m plus 1 into m minus 2. M square minus 3m plus 1 into m minus 2. Multiply this m square with the second expression, then multiply this minus 3m with the second expression, then multiply this 1 with the second expression. So which is equal to m square into m minus 2 minus 3m into m minus 2 plus 1 into m minus 2. Now multiply this m square with the terms inside the bracket, m square into m and then m square into minus 2. So m square, m power 2, here the power is 1, minus m square into 2 is minus 2m square. A plus into minus is minus 3, m into m is m square. Minus into minus is plus, 3 2s are 6m. Now multiply this 1 with the terms inside the bracket. 1 into m is m, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. It is equal to m power 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2m square, minus 3m square, plus 6m plus m minus 2. Now there is only one m cube here, so you can write this one as such. This is minus 2m square and this is minus 3m square. When it is in same sign, you can add the numbers and write the same sign. 2 plus 3 is 5. Here this is minus, so you can write it as minus 5m square. Now this is 6m and this is m. 6m plus m is 7m minus 2. So answer is m square minus 3m plus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to m cube minus 5m square plus 7m minus 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Students, you can copy down today's home assignment now. Thank you.